Hello, welcome to another UPAS update. Bit more progress. We've got another display come through, so I can set up two. I've got the OLED on a various stuff. We've got various equipment going on here. So we've got engine 47 upside down. Engine 46, a TT Go, T-Watch engine 44 and engine 45, and this one is engine 48 on a Lolin D32 Pro. We've got two ESP32's node MCUs, one there, a couple of TT Go T-Watches, right? So we're going to run the... I used to communicate with them all with multicast, and that doesn't actually work properly. So basically,
Engine 44 is now online. Engine 45
I've changed it to unicast, which broke my broadcast capability. It broke the broadcast capability, but I've created an algorithm. So anything that goes out to broadcast will automatically select all install engines, check whether its communication method is Wi-Fi, not USB or other kind of methods, and then it will write the packets to all the ports as it's doing here. So basically, you can see a bit of flashing going on. Basically, the UPAS software there, it's servicing all those 5 engines. There's your ID numbers, and they're quite extensive, so it's... Anyway, I thought I'd show you. Let me just go on to the main screen. I'll go on to script. I'm going to issue a open all engines script. Here we go, ready?
Open all engines.
Now I close all engines broadcast.
Close all engines.
Ping all engine broadcast. Here we are. And online all engines.
Online to all engines.
See, it tells you it's all online here. I didn't see an engine 48 online. Let's do it again.
Broadcast online to all engines.
There it is. Okay, we can do a set time all engines. It's getting its time off the network, off an NTP server, but we can also do it from the system clock.
Synchronizing clocks on all engines.
Yeah, let's just have a quick browse. Oh yeah, we can just go back to the shrunk down screen. Let's maximize that. And the easiest way to do this is from a voice command, actually. Let me just grab the microphone. Right, here we go.
Engine 44 is offline.
Is it? Well, what have I done? What's the matter? Oh, it's gone flat. Engine 44, it's gone flat. That's a shame. I'll tell you what we'll do. The watch has gone off, so let's just borrow the lead out of... That's a bit of a live thing. Yeah, so let's just... I've had it unplugged with no power, so let's just... I'll just plug the power back into that watch, so it should just boot up, and then reattach itself to... it'll get connected to the network, then ask for the NTP clock. Is it going to get the clock? Yeah, it's got it.
All engines are now online.
And it come back online again, that's okay. It's all event driven, so if it disconnects... Right, so we got that again. So yeah, I've not introduced any power saving at all into those watches, so they last a few hours. And obviously they go dim and that's it, they don't shut down or nothing. Which I've got to sort that out. So let's just get back to the microphone, stick the microphone on. I've got the microphone here, I'm going to talk into it. UPAS, open all engines. UPAS, close all engines. Okay. UPAS, expand all engines. UPAS, expand all engines. Okay, that's the easiest way. Right, I'll just shut that put that mic down. So the other way to do it is to click them. I'd have to go down and click them like this. And obviously you've got to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or you can pick the mic up again and get UPAS, collapse all engines. There you go. UPAS, expand all engines. UPAS, expand all engines. There you go. As you can see, it should all be synchronized. Each one of these engines represents the device there. So you got that one, that one, that one, that one, that one. Says 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That one's set. That's just on its own battery power alone. That. Okay, so you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units there, and you can do all sorts of stuff with it. I'll tell you what. Let's just go on to gather the. It's got 61 tokens in it, because these engines store tokens, so it's gathering the tokens at the minute. Just out of one at a time, it gathers them. It's just gathering engine 2500. Well, that's the name of the engine. So it's whichever one's soloed at the minute. Yeah, that one. Engine 44 has been soloed. As you can see, it's bringing in the. It'll only show you the first 10, and then until it's finished, and then it'll display the whole list. Okay, I've got to get ready.
Gather complete.
Gather's complete. So there's all your tokens that are in the list of tokens that it's gathered. And of course you can save them, export them, and all the rest of it. Okay, so
Engine 45 is offline. Engine 45 is now online. All engines are now online. Engine 46 is offline. Engine 46 is now online. Engine 47 is offline. Engine 47 is now online. Engine 48 is offline. Engine 48 is now online.
Yeah. Basically, when you go into solo, it misses a few communication. It's shut in order to optimize the transfer of the data. It solos them, so you've got the ability to solo them here. So if I click that, I'm only going to work on this one, and so forth. Basically, it allows me to stop servicing the engines, as it were, while I was doing some update. So that's all that is. So if I was to click this one now and gather the info, see that there? It's quite slow. I'll do it again, because it's also servicing the engines. There's a glitch there as well. Right, so yeah, I've got a glitch there. Right, yeah, that's coming down. Yeah, I'm gonna have to sort that out. Right, I don't know what that is. Anyway, let's get back to this. That needs looking at. Okay, so if I want to solo it, say for instance, and then I do it should be quite quick. See how quick that is. So it's just checking the engine integrity, that is. I can unsolo it.
Engine 45 is offline. Engine 45 is now online. All engines are now online. Engine 46 is offline. Engine 47 is offline. Engine 46 is now online.
Yeah,
Engine 48 is offline. Engine 47 is now online.
This information gets queued up, so you don't miss any. But I mean, that's like asynchronous. I can stop it doing that if, but it'll overwrite some of the data. So yeah, this is a bit of a bug I've got to sort out. Don't know why it's coming in like that. Yeah, it's weird why it does that. Yeah, it's coming up on there. That's a totally different engine packet. That's 46. So anyway, I need to look at that. Right, so anyway, I've got to get ready to go out. So that's a little bit of an update. I don't mind showing you my bugs and things. Right, let's just shrink the window. UPAS collapse all engines. UPAS collapse rack. That's it. I haven't got one for close down. Okay, anyway, so that'll do for now. Always the same when you show someone a demonstration, there's always something. So anyway, I've got to work on that, and been doing this for 10 years now, so some of that code's 10 years old. So I need to revamp that now. I've learned a bit more about C# development. Okay, bye bye for now.